Today, I'll show you how to delete a Vercel deployment step by step so you can clean up old previews or remove projects you no longer need. We'll go through the process from opening Vercel all the way to confirming the delete action, and I'll point out a few things to watch out for along the way. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your dashboard. You should land on the main Vercel dashboard where your projects or teams are listed. Make sure you're in the right team or account if you have multiple, because deployments are tied to the selected scope at the top of the page. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with different options like projects, analytics, and so on. From this menu, click on the item labeled Deployments. This is where Vercel shows a list of all deployments associated with the current project or scope. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of activity, so give it a second if nothing appears right away. Once the deployments page is visible, you'll see individual entries representing each deployment. These usually include the deployment name, the branch, the commit message, and the time it was created. Take a moment to carefully identify the deployment you actually want to delete. This is important because once you remove a deployment, that preview or production URL will no longer be accessible. When you found the correct deployment, click on it to open the detailed view. This will pull up a page showing logs, status, domains, and other information about that specific deployment. Opening the detailed view helps you double check that you're about to act on the right one, which can prevent mistakes, especially in projects with many similar deployments. Now look toward the top right corner of this deployment detail page. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called a More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on the deployment. In that drop-down menu, find and click the Delete option. As soon as you click Delete, Vercel will typically show a confirmation dialog. This extra step is there to protect you from accidentally removing the wrong deployment. In the confirmation window, you'll usually see a brief message reminding you that this action cannot be undone. Take one last moment to confirm that this is indeed the deployment you want to remove. Check the name, the branch, or any other detail that helps you be sure. When you're confident, click the Delete button in the confirmation dialog to finalize the action. After you click Delete, Vercel will process the request. The deployment should disappear from your list, and any associated preview URL will stop working. If you still see it listed, try refreshing the page. Sometimes it takes a moment for the interface to update. And that's the entire process. You've learned how to delete a Vercel deployment by navigating to vercel.com, opening the deployments view, selecting the correct deployment using the 3-dot menu, and confirming the delete action.